Hello everyone, my name is Dipanshu and this is my reflection video for the Principle of Project Management module. Over the past few, I had the opportunity to apply project management theory to real world event or charity fundraise called a book brunch fundraising for Future Mind. This journey has been insightful, challenging, and the incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll sharing what I have learned, the challenge I faced, the strategy I used to overcome them, and how this experience has shaped my understanding of project management as a both a discipline and profession. Reflective note: challenged and learning from the books and brunch charity event project. The book and brunch charity event was a multi initiative that brought together community engagement, education, support, and event management in a real world setting. As the project manager, my role was a central to guiding the project from the concept to completing this experience came with the both rewarding outcomes and notable challenges which is led to sustainable personal growth. Challenge faced the management within 12-week frame, tight and 12-week time frame. The time concentrate create pressure to complete multi-parcel work stream from marketing, logistic, and sponsorship outreach to volunteer coordination and budget control. While we applied agile project management principle, balancing sprint milestone and tracking frequent team review, there were the still moments and task overload. For the example, they are delay during 4 5 when marketing material was not approved in a time, which is impact our ticket sale launch. What I learned: time blocking, earlier planning, and strategy deadline essential for a smooth workflow. Constituency buffer for the dependency of to build into the stages. Sponsorship acquisition. Another major hurdle was the security sponsorship initiates. The outreach efforts faced reflection and delays, especially due to the short notice, the lack of established brand celebrity. They create tension around the budget, pose the risks achieving the financial goals. £5,000 to might get. We have the pivot and approach local business. We trailed pitches, emphasize community impact and student involving. What I learned: a completely narrative and the earlier engagement with the potential sponsor can increase success rate. Relationship building in a just a crucial as a proposal writing. Volunteer management. Given the event scope, human resources were limited. We had a six-person core team and called the volunteer of the everyday. Despite the best effort, coordination, volunteer duty, and ensuring everyone show up to time proved difficulty. Last minute show the added unexpected pressure on our team member. What I learned: over recruitment, the protective scheduling combined with the daily volunteer handbook and the continuity clear role assignment and pre-event training session were the valuable takeaway. Technical issue: the event we encourage AV equipment malfunction during the dry run. The geoplayers and author eventually resolved the buying backup equipment. The another university department incident hideful gaps in the technical preparedness. What I learned: always run full equipment test ahead of the critical tag must be secure early. Balancing with stakeholder expectation, managing communication with the drive stakeholder, university staff, sponsor, volunteer, and charity partner mean the walking the tight for the instant sponsor brand visibility. University emphasize academy align everyone expectation took effort, especially when making a final decision on an event. What I learned: clearing communication and setting clear expectation with each stakeholder group in essential. The stakeholder matrix, the engagement strategy helpful keep the everyone in the loop but need the constant refinement. Key learning outcomes: transformational leadership in action. Leaders leading the diverse creative team required more than just task delegation. By embodying transformational leadership, I learned the power of motivation other through the vision, recognition, and open communication. This helped team to push through the stress point, especially when deadline were the tight or a role overplay. Growth insight: leadership is not a just authority, it is about empathy, adaptability, and setting up positive tone. Real world application of a project tool. This is a project was an excellent opportunity to use tools like work breakdown structure, WBS, Gantt charts, RACI metrics, and the risk severity metrics. This tool help us the remaining organization track the progress, negative risk or more growth inside the practical use of the project manager from classroom knowledge and the proof the crucial of for coordination budgeting and financially working with the project cost 4,000 pound and the fundraising goals 5,000 tough me the fine balance of between without conclusion. The book of branch event was the project is the was learning journey, the broad theories, the practice it is the challenges, my planning ability, strength, my leadership skill, deeper the appreciation, purposeful. Thank you so much.